Hi, I'm Nora from hikingboots.com. We're at Outdoor Retailer 2012. I stopped by the high-tech booth and I'm going to talk to Denny about what boot is this?
This is the Ozark Waterproof, WPI as in ion mask. So this is actually a brand new piece for us. We worked with Vibram to come up with a really rugged outsole that's going to give the consumer traction on ice and hard-packed snow. It's what they call their Ice Trek. It actually has metal shards blended into that rubber compound. Doesn't scar up wood floors, but it gives you the traction on the snow and ice. And then we also built a new shell to go with that Ice Trek outsole that kind of calls out our logo, but it's a nice rugged looking shell as well. The upper on this one is a synthetic with a little bit of nylon. We're using a waterproof breathable bladder in it, but we're also using the ion mask. And we're using the ion mask with this boot because we want it to have absolutely no uptake of moisture at all. So it is waterproof, but what happens with too many waterproof boots? After you've worn it a while, the outside material starts to absorb water, even though it can't go through. Can't do that with ion mask, so it's really a nice benefit. 200 grams of Thinsulate on the inside, very warm, Ortholite footbed, a lot of comfort, just a great everyday boot.
Awesome, thanks very much.
You bet.
And when will this be available, do you think?
This will come out probably September, 1st of September 2012. So I guess that is the year it is. You lose track.
Yeah, you do. Thanks so much. I'm Nora from hikingboots.com. Thanks for watching.